Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing an unboxing. I ordered a candle making kit from Nature's Garden to start my little candle making side hustle. So let's get right into it and see what goodies they sent me. So here's the box from Nature's Garden, about a medium-sized box. It's not too heavy, and let's just get into this. This is the actual Soy Wax Candle Kit. I'll open that in a second. And then I ordered these items as well. Alright, so I ordered some almond oil. Let's take that out because I wanted almond scented oil. Okay, and this is a thermometer because that was not included in the kit. Alright, so got a thermometer here. And then I got this metal pouring pot. Alright, so those are the additional items I ordered. I'm just gonna put these on the side. And then let's open the actual kit. So I've got these 12 here in the covers, and then I'm just gonna lay everything out so you guys can see. Alright, so starting with the color blocks, I've got one burgundy and one green, and then I've got 1, 2, 3 pounds of soy wax. I've got my candle wicks here. The oils, these are the 4 oils that came with the kit. Alright, and then I ordered this one on the side because I love almond oil. I've got everything that I'm going to need listed here. Alright, I've got to find my glue gun because I don't know where it is. And then I've got some instructions. Alright, I've got my thermometer here. And then I ordered this. This was ordered separately, as well as this melting pouring pot here, a metal pouring pot. I'll probably order another one soon. And then I've got the covers. This is included in the kit as well. And then the 12 hexagon jars. Alright, so that's it for the kit. I'm super excited and I can't wait to start making candles. Alright, so that is it for the unboxing of my Nature's Garden. Don't know if you can see that. My Nature's Garden candle. And then I'm breaking the candles. Yes, that's very nice. Okay, let's not do that. Alright, don't want to do that. and my babies. All right, yeah, so that's it for my unboxing of the candle kit. Hope this is helpful. Another thing, I just kind of went around a few different YouTube videos, and that's how I figured out what to order. But the only thing I'm missing right now is a glue gun. I think I have a glue gun. I'm not sure if I have glue sticks. All right, and yeah, I'm super excited to start making my candles, and I'll share that journey with you as well. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, comment below, let me know if you need help with anything candle or music related. See y'all later. Bye.